Jog Falls is a waterfall on the Sharavati River, located in Siddhapur Taluk, Uttarakhand district, and its viewpoint is located in Sagar Taluk, Shimoga district of Karnataka, India. It is the second highest plunge waterfall in India. It is a segmented waterfall, which depends on rain and season to become a plunge waterfall. The falls are major attractions for tourists and is ranked 36th in the list of free-falling waterfalls, 490th in the world by list of waterfalls by total height, 128th in the list of single-drop waterfalls in the world by the Waterfall Database.